Students, today we are going to see the classification. The angiospermic plants, how they classify. Already we have seen the kingdom Plantae is classified on the basis of presence or absence of the flowers and seeds into the two groups, that is cryptogams and the phanerogams. These sub-kingdoms, they are divided into the divisions, classes, subclasses, orders, families and genus. As like the plants which are existing on the earth surface, how they are classified. Classification is nothing but the arrangement of the things in lawful manner. Lawful manner means the rules and regulations which are led by the ICBM, International Code of Indian Nation, the nomenclature as per the plants are categorized. This classification of the angiospermic plant, they are classified, different classification systems are put forth. There are three types of the systems. First is a natural system of classification. Second one, artificial system of classification. Third one, phylogenetic system of classification. In a phylogenetic system of classification, evolutionary trend is considered. Artificial classification here, one of or two characters, they are artificially taken consideration. Here, the natural system of classification is the most important system of the classification. Here, Charles Darwin, during the 1899, he has predicted a theory of biological evolution. And this biological evolution, the existent plants are evolved, present plants are evolved from the existent plants. Present plants means आत्ताचे प्लांट जे आहेत हे existing जे पहिले होते त्या प्लांट मधूनच हे नवीन प्लांट्स तयार झालेले आहेत. पण एक्झिस्टिंग प्लांट्स दे आर पर्सन्स, दे हॅव सम सिमिलर कॅरेक्टर्स. They have the similar characters, and these plants are related, similar in one way or other. हे जे प्लांट्स भूतलावर आहेत हे भूतलावर एक किंवा अनेक कॅरेक्टरनं एकसारखे दिसतात. एक किंवा अनेक कॅरेक्टर्स एकसारखे दिसत आहेत असं सुरुवातीला जे क्लासिफिकेशन केलं ते केलं पहिल्यांदा हायली ग्रुप मध्ये केलं. मीन्स मेजर बिग ग्रुप मध्ये केलं. मीन्स सपोज बाय कन्सिडरिंग द ट्रीज ओनली, कन्सिडर दे आर टॉल trees, they are small herbs, they are shrubs. As per they are categorized only on the basis of the observable characters. On the basis they are observable characters, they are grouped together, and they consider the possible characters. Means in the field area, the possible characters, कमी characters जे शक्य असतील ते कॅरेक्टर्स कन्सिडर केले आणि कन्सिडर करून दे आर नॅचरली मीन्स इन द नेचर means observable characters in the field area. They are grouped together and the classification is made Such classification is known as a natural system of classification. This natural system of classification is first given by the Bentham Hookers. Here while classification, in this classification, the natural system, the possible characters of the organisms, they are taken into consideration. All the important characters are taken consideration and plants are classified according to their related characters. Here, by considering the all possible characters, all possible characters, they are having similarities and their differences in their related characters, they are taken into consideration. They are taken into consideration with related characters. Related characters. Firstly, these related characters, that is the similarities and the differences that are taken. Means already I have told the larger, taller, they are known as the trees. Smaller, which having the height comes and the branches lower and the branches are more from this arising from the basal region. The plants throughout life remains green, delicate, soft. The plants, they are weak. Such characters, they are similar characters, they are taken. And in these similar characters, there are different characters also consideration, which having the related characters. Take them into the groups. Means the groups are categorized into the first major groups, or they are known as the big groups. These are major groups. That is a higher characteristic. That is big groups. Further divided into subgroups. That is into the smaller groups. They are further divided into this classes, then orders, families. Such a type, the similar characters as well as the different characters are considered on the basis the morphological characters. Morphological characters is the important character considered in the natural system of the character. And this morphological natural system, best well-known natural system of classification is the Bentham and Hooker system of classification.